You are my best friend, my only best friend. You're never lonely or sad. You keep me company through the night. Cry on your shoulder when I have a fright. We dance all night till the sun no more. At 3 a.m. we come knocking at doors. The supermarket to buy some good old chocolate. How am I meant to live when you are gone? How am I meant to breathe when I am lost? I know we will both be okay, 'cause right now it's not goodbye. So I'll see you another day. See you another day. You are my best friend, my only best friend. You made me laugh, you made me smile. I keep you up late talking about boys, but you'll be sleeping through my noise. At 7 a.m. we both get up. You read another book of yours you've probably read, and I haven't yet. How am I meant to live when you are gone? How am I meant to breathe when I am lost? I know we will both be okay, 'cause right now it's not goodbye. So I'll see you another day. See you another day. I just wanna say thank you for all the memories. I just wanna say thank you for keeping me company.